Peak Optics beam wiper blades are a premium addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with side lock wiper arms, both 1/4 inch and 3/16 of an inch. Side lock wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the blade itself. First, rotate the back of the adapter upward. Next, with the wiper arm in the upright position, insert the wiper arm into the matching hole size of the wiper frame, which will either be 1/4 inch or 3/16 of an inch. Push the adapter down until it locks onto the inserted wiper arms pin. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a protective cover over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Optics wiper blades.